Yeah, I don't know whether you can see, but the sea strainer is there. I've just been trying to get it off of a 10mm. Thinking, why the hell is it not coming off? The reason it's not coming off is because it's all Imperial. Still like Imperial. Makes sense. Well, to me it does anyway. I'm not a big millimetres guy. Feet and inches. All the way. And that, for all intents and purposes, looks clear. Fire up the compressor and we'll blow it out. There, coming straight out of there. So the water jacket's not blocked, hopefully. I'm betting the Impeller's the original one, and it's just rubber dust. It probably went out the exhaust a while ago. So, let's just strip it down. Yeah, more Imperial stuff. 7 11/8. No, just kidding, it's a 9/16. Comes straight off though. Yeah, got Timmy on the job. No micro adjuster for the win. It's looking a bit grim. Have to give it a clean up. The impeller's inside there. I'm going to take it apart and get the gauge on that to see what size it is. And I'll get one ordered up anyway, but just put it out there, this is not a how-to video. You probably want to seek one of the more professional videos on YouTube on how to do this. Right, let's get this cleaned up and we'll get the caliper on that and see what size it is. Moment of truth, the big reveal. Is there anything left of it? He says. I'm glad I'm recording this because I've got no idea what order I took it apart in. Chunky. Everything's a pry bar or a hammer. Yeah. Yeah, well, you're just going to have to take it from me that there is nothing left of that impeller. Nothing. It's just chunks of rubber. Right. That's all, folks, for this one. Let's get a new impeller, get it all put back together once I've got a new one. We'll crack it back up, see if it pumps water. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. What's left of the impeller?